Alright, so we officially made it up to the restaurant. Boys are going higher. I'm freaking out. Wish there was sun out here. Oh yeah, look at that. And they got bike parking facilities up here. Freaking awesome. Gotta love it. Ah, the sun's out. And it's fog, so we're ready to go home. This is the parking lot of the restaurant at about Mitchell State Park.